We're going to cut a Christmas tree where we can cut it down and where it's snowy and when they have the right type of Christmas trees. A bit of a drive, but we'll see you there. All right, we are here at the we're here at the tree cutting place. We're gonna go walk through. And we're in New Hampshire and we're gonna find ourselves a tree. So here we are. Hang tight. All right, we're at the tree lot and we are with Gabby.
Say hi.
Auntie Ellen.
Hi.
And with, what's your name?
Bee's knees.
Lennon.
You forgot your name.
Tonry Tree Farm.
We're at the Tonry Tree Farm in Exeter, New Hampshire.
Alright, I saw it.
We are in New Hampshire, but we still do not have any snow.
Look at
I see the perfect.
But
the biggest one.
Guys,
this is
I think the same
pretty
one too. Let's
huge
go
tree lot.
wait.
All right, so here we are. There must be,
Oh yeah, can we?
boy, there must be hundreds.
Take my phone.
There must be hundreds and hundreds of trees here. All right, kids found a tractor.
If that was bigger, then I would want that.
All right, we are out here.
You know what Gamma
Oh,
would
I
say
like
about
that
gotta
one.
Huh?
You know what Gamma would say about this tree?
What?
Stupid.
Yeah,
She was so funny.
I know.
She'd be like,
This
"That's
one's
stupid."
the perfect one.
I
Oh, it
mean,
really is.
They
I
really,
love it.
they really trim these trees like
It's too
heavily.
small.
I do too.
Yeah, we might find a couple of golden ones in
I
there.
see a
though.
really good one right there.
Yeah, we might. They trim them.
What about that middle
This
one?
beautiful tree.
What do you
Huh?
you like that middle one?
You show me.
See it?
It's not big enough.
Can we
What do you mean?
pick from there?
Oh, the one straight ahead? It's
Yeah.
too sparse.
What?
It's not thick enough.
Go look at. We're gonna go look at a bunch.
I don't want it that thick.
Well, Mama, I see the perfect one.
Show me. We need a big one
Why a big one?
because we want to be able to put all our ornaments on it.
Oh yeah, these aren't great. But if we let's walk down that way, yeah.
Go down here, kids. But it's great, isn't it? You're a good finder.
All-
Hi, vlog. How are you doing?
Want me to explain what size?
How are you doing? Is the question. All right, so we're looking.
This is meant.
Hey guys.
It's a fantastic.
Hey
tree.
guys. So I found the tree. I found it. No one else did.
True.
I can't.
No,
Gabby identified.
that isn't true at all. I said, what about that one?
Yeah, you did.
Maybe.
Yeah. But I chose it. I gave the okay. And so technically this is my tree now.
Yep.
It's beautiful from head to toe.
It really is beautiful.
Its name is
Howard?
what?
Howard.
Serafina.
No. Saffrine.
Jim?
Saffrine. That's pretty.
How about
Jim
saffrine?
Stanley.
You're so basic.
Michael?
You're so
No. Can we do saffrine?
Irish
That's so pretty. Can we do saffrine?
Saffrine.
Yeah. Isn't that pretty?
We gotta
What
find
is
it
with
first
your
before you name
generation
it,
and weird
then see
names?
how you move.
That's not weird.
When you meet your
What's
tree.
your
That's not
boyfriend?
weird.
What's your boyfriend's
How
name?
about that?
All right, let's do this. Oh, it's nice and straight. I can hear Mom. Is the trunk straight?
We'll have a million more, honey. We're gonna find ours.
Can I yell timber? Guys, look at my dad working all hard. Dad, I smell some gas.
All right, someone should hold it. Now, can you hold it?
I'll hold it if you
Wait,
want.
can I yell timber?
All right.
I want to yell timber.
Wait, Gabby.
Yep.
Can you clean the bigger tree?
Yeah, let's just cut down this one first.
It's really soft.
Yeah, good. That's why you want it.
It's coming over already.
Ready?
Got it.
Timber!
Oop, you missed a spot.
Timber! Timber! Timber!
It's free?
just
Oh,
gotta
okay.
come
It's just
over,
heavier than I thought. Look at
Timber!
that. You want me to drop it for the timber?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do your timber.
Timber!
There we go.
Juicy one, guys.
I love
really
it.
wet.
Good, right?
It's
Yeah, I love
beautiful.
That's gonna last for a long time.
Okay, let's just get our tree.
All right, mission accomplished. We just got it strapped to the car, and we're ready to drive an hour, hoping this thing doesn't fly off on the highway. See you next one.